Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. Right now, I'm standing outside Nabila's brand new salon in Lahore. So naturally, I have something fun planned for her. She's inside and we're gonna go inside. The first thing that we're gonna do is that she's gonna be doing my makeup in 1 minute. That's a challenge that she's gonna get. I'm not wearing any makeup on my face, just a bit of lipstick at the moment, but Nabila's gonna be doing my makeup in 1 minute. So let's see if she's up to the challenge. Next thing that we're gonna be doing is stay tuned till the end of the video because we're gonna be walking through the new salon so you guys can see like what the whole salon is all about. It's looking pretty fantastic and I can't wait to show you guys. You guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family. And let's run in and meet Nabila. Hi Nabila.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Welcome.
Thank you. Your salon looks really nice.
It's about bloody time.
So I have a few challenges for you. Are you ready?
Okay, tell me.
Let's go. Okay guys, so Nabila, I've heard that I use the zero makeup palette. Like it's like the face perfecting palette, okay? So it's like the beauty of this palette is that in 1 minute you can perfect your face and be picture perfect and ready to go out. But what I did today was that I was like, if I'm meeting you, then you might as well do my makeup. Because I mean, what a big honor it is that like you meet Nabila and Nabila does your makeup. Like there's nothing better than that, right? So Nabila, we're gonna set a timer.
Okay.
And we're gonna put you to the task now.
Okay.
Okay. So I use honey, and because I like my face to be very like my skin natural. Yeah, I do not like it to be.
That.
I don't like it to be darker or lighter. I want it to look like I am not wearing any makeup.
Yeah.
Like I don't like it like if it's very caked up, and that's why I absolutely love the palette because even if I'm not using like any of the things, like if I'm using one product and not using the other, like it just blends in so well. And the powder is, I love the powder. It's one of my favorites. So now I'm gonna learn and you guys also take a quick look at how Nabila is gonna apply the whole thing. Tabish, can we have a minute on the clock?
Yes.
Oh my
Let's
God,
do
now
it.
I'm nervous. I'm money where my mouth is. So you could have been a creme or a honey because it's a very forgiving color. So people who like to look a little fresher, brighter, fairer can cheat a little bit.
Yeah.
Like I personally like to look a little tanner, so I use one darker than me, and I think so do you.
Yeah.
So we're going to be using honey, and we're going to do the concealer, the blender, which is like a foundation. We'll give you a little bit of blush. We'll do your lips, and then we'll set it in less than 60 seconds. And now I'm scared. Go.
And let's go. Timer is on. And we're done. Whoa. That was, I mean, well, it's like, I could not do this, guys. I could not do this, but this was fantastic. Like, everything's concealed. It's gone. Like, it takes me, I mean, I can do it like pretty fast, but like not this fast. Like, I'm gonna get on the speed. I'm gonna actually take this on as a challenge, guys. Like, the next video I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and do my entire makeup in 1 minute. Okay, guys, so now I have a challenge for you all. So now what you have to do is make a video and do your makeup in 1 minute using zero makeup. So there's an entire range. You can choose what color and like which palette like suits you guys best. And the best one and the one that actually does it in 60 seconds gets a free zero makeup hamper from MMP and Nabila. So guys, get cracking. We're gonna go head out to the next station, check out the salon. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can learn more about Nabila and this wonderful salon. We're gonna go there and you guys start practicing your makeup looks. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. Nabila actually did it in 60 seconds. So Nabila, I have like some really fun questions for you. While we walk around the salon, what is something like the weirdest thing that someone has said to you while you've been cutting their hair?
Well, I once did a haircut and itne se uske baal kate, and she looked at the floor and she said, "You're going to charge me that much for cutting this much hair?" And I said, "I charge for what I leave behind, not what I take off."
What is the most boring haircut for you to do?
Long layers. The whole country has it.
Yes.
You know, I've done this long layered haircut blindfolded on TV.
Really?
Shaista's show.
That's incredible. Like actually blindfolded.
Yeah, more than 10 years ago.
But that is a look that people here
I
love.
know, so that's what I said. I said, ये तो मैं आँख बंद करके भी कर सकती हूँ. She said, let's do it.
Okay, Nabila, I saw something really interesting on Tabish's Instagram, and I saw you putting shoes in your handbag. So I want to know what is in your handbag right now. It's a really cool bag that she has. So I want you to open it up and see what crazy things. Because she had a really nice handbag and she put her shoes in, and that's all there was in that in the bag.
I'll tell you what, we were going to interview Ali Zafar, and I had just finished interviewing Resham, and I had changed the clothes. I had a very nice Fendi bag, and I was wearing heels for Ali Zafar's interview, and I hate heels because I like comfort most now. So I carried in very similar shoes, but in flats also, which went in my bag, and that was more important than anything else.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad today I don't have shoes only because I can't fit it in this
I know.
bag. But I'll tell you honestly, what do I have? I have my iPhone.
Excellent.
And I have zero makeup.
Oh, amazing. I actually love the zero makeup palette so much that I was telling my college friends that I'm gonna get them a palette because I was showing them that it's not this palette doesn't exist in like no brand in the world has done it, and you have. So what's the new thing that you're developing? Because I know that last time when we spoke, you said that your newest favorite thing to do was be in the lab and just create.
Oh my God, it's been 2 years since
Yeah.
then, right? So zero makeup, like you said, it developed in my bag. Literally for 15 years, I was using it, and then I said that it's amazing. It's not available. This needs to go out to many more women. So we made it with the best of ingredients and formulation in Germany, and the convenience. So what I have is the hands-on experience of our skin, how it reacts to colors, our pigments, our undertones, our climate, our skin types, our light. Everything is different.
Of course.
So all of that experience, along with the scientific, formulations and the packaging and the idea, and that's why Zero is a big hit. The next thing that we launched is, I'll give you a sneak peek into it. It's a unisex product.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And so, men can also use it, and it's even simpler than what you have now. So maybe it'll take 10 seconds. Next challenge will be 10 seconds.
10 seconds, guys. We're gonna hold Nabila to this. In the next interview, 10-second makeup.
It's called the blurring pen.
Blurring pen. Oh, it's probably gonna be a concealer kind of situation.
Yeah. It just fix everything that you need to,
Yeah.
and it's transfer free, so men will love it.
Of course. So, guys, shall we go for a tour
Let's go.
of around the salon? Okay, so Nabila, this is like your express station that we're getting to, and which is really interesting because you can do your hair, your makeup, your mani pedi, everything in
1 hour, I would say, if you're doing your hair color.
Yeah.
If it's a blow dry, then maybe 30-40 minutes. And I needed a place where I could just get my everything done once and
Yeah.
then leave.
And then
I never had the time, so we created this express chair for women on the go.
So guys, this is their express station, which I think I will be living in. Which please book me. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. Acha Nabila, before we go up to the next section, I want to ask you, you love changing the space up always. You always want to redo. So what inspired you to kind of rechange again, from your old salon to a new location?
Yeah, I get really bored, and that's why my surname is Changes. And that's why I keep changing everything, whether it's about me or my life or my house or my decor or my salon, my work, or the trends that we are following. So I think change is the only constant, and that's what keeps you alive. That's what keeps you, on top of things, etc. So, and as your life grows, you need to change things around and fit them to your requirement now. Okay, and that's what happened because the Lahore salon was neglected for too long because I was very busy with Zero and setting it, distribution, etc. So Lahore was being neglected for 5 years, and I really hated the place, and I was trying to avoid Lahore, not come here, and then I realized, no, I need to do something about it. The business has grown, the clientele has grown, the staff has grown, the place was not big enough, not bright enough,
Yeah.
Didn't like it. It's like the shoe didn't fit anymore. So the past 2 years was a very prolonged, boring time because of COVID, etc. And then we found this place, it's 3 stories.
I know, and it's you have your express everything, your Your hair and all is on your ground floor, and this is like
This
your
is the
bridal
makeup area.
Makeup area.
And you
for
know,
it.
we do makeup. We have like private suites for all the brides so that they don't sit in like a bazaar. And then
Like a bazaar, like it's a fish market usually.
it's a fish market, you
Yeah.
know, so it's very private. And also, you know, we believe in the modern bride, so our makeup is also like not
Yeah.
modern type.
Can we
so-
take a look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm really liking the private makeup stations.
Yeah.
So you can have like, you can even get changed here, right?
Well, we have changing rooms, etc. But the idea is that you have your own area and you don't need to be sitting openly. And so we try and do less is more. We train people to like want to have less makeup, less back
Yeah.
combing, less big lips, less everything.
Less big lips.
But you know, who want it, they will get it. But my job is to keep educating.
No, of course. And I think that like you have like such an influence on the industry. I mean, being an industry leader, it is quite fantastic. And anything that you see and do becomes the trend in the market as well.
It does. I think imitation is a form of flattery.
It really is. So you were saying that it's frustrating.
Yeah, it's frustrating being an industry leader because you know they all want to follow you, but then you're in the spotlight and they question it and they criticize you, etc. And then years later they follow you. So it's always been like I face a lot of resistance because I'm not following. I'm doing what I think is right, and
Yeah.
I'm changing it with time and with requirement. And there's a lot of resistance because people don't like change.
Actually, you're right. They don't like change. But once the change becomes norm, then everybody wants to kind of get in on that
I
bandwagon.
know. So you know they say it's lonely being on top because
Yeah.
then you're alone and you don't know who you're not following
Yeah.
anyone. So you're creating.
Yeah.
And you're just breaking the norms and not easy, but that's the only place I will be in.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and we're gonna let Nabila go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little walkthrough with Nabila at the new salon. Guys, do come out, check the salon out. It's fantastic. It's literally one of a kind. I've not seen a space like this in Lahore.
Me neither.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Play family. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Goodbye.